It's gassy, grotesque, and I wouldn't be surprised if these competitors weren't able to walk out of here when this was over. Oh, his back lands right across the opponent from that senton. Got a book. A vicious elbow delivered with a total force. Out of the ring. What's going to happen now? Batista. He's a huge athlete. Big and strong. And he's not a brawl. This animal moves with amazing quickness for a man over 300 pounds. He slipped out of that one. And it looks like the axe is going to be spilling to the outside. Oh, God. What a huge Batista bomb. They didn't allow you want to take twice. The Survivor Series can be traced back to 1987. And since its arrival, it's become one of my favorite Thanksgiving traditions. Oh, yeah. Turkey, football, and WWE. Oh, good Lord. I thought it was going to go there. Oh, right through the side. Benjamin pops the shoulder up. Showing some disrespect here. And it looks like the axe is going to be spilling to the outside. The athleticism of Benjamin saves him there. I've got a feeling that this has all the makings of an instant classic. Good grief. Oh, that one landed. Batista is an unstoppable force. The man's an absolute beast. Oh, look at this. There it is. The Batista bomb. That's just raw animal power right there. Benjamin's a tremendous athlete. We've stated it on numerous occasions. But it's his competitive spirit that he'll have to rely on at this stage of the match. Look at the strength. Wow, look at that confidence. Here's the pin. This could be it. Good Lord, what a spear by the animal. He's got a victory in mind for sure. The Batista bomb. My God, what an impact. Over the years, he's really built his career. He's got an opportunity. Through two. STO. Man, I'll tell you what. The strength and the power of the animal just sends shivers up my spine. And again, he bails from the ring. Batista bomb. That's sports entertainment's own weapon of mass. 1, 2, 3. Batista wins. Batista wins. are your winners, Batista and Rey Mysterio.
I'll tell you what, Bryson, what an outstanding contest. Kudos to everyone who was in this one. What a match.
It was a hard-fought battle, and most assuredly one we won't